Like what? Like what?
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Hey YouTube. If you didn't say hey, what are you doing? Get it together, okay? So today I'm gonna do something I haven't done before, and that's crimp this head of mine. It's cute straight, but I just want to see it like a different style. So let's get into it because baby, what? I'm about to crimp this head. So I'm gonna open this box. This is my first time ever doing this. Oh, this is cute.
I wanted it in pink, but it came purple.
So let's get to it. Gotta undo this thing. And I just got my nails done too. Baddie. It's like, no, just come off. This is really cute. I'm really trying to figure this out. Ooh, I'm nervous. Oh.
She nervous.
All right, so I'm gonna plug it in. So I'm gonna wait till that cools. Warms up. I don't know what I'm cools. Warm up. And I'm gonna put it on high. Yes. So I've been doing a lot of things this past couple of days, and it's really just to get my YouTube started because I'm really excited. Like, I just want
Pause. Why'd your ass get? Wow.
just want to be a YouTuber, honestly. Like, I feel like it's gonna be fun, you know what I'm saying? Period. Because what? We in there. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. You know, and it's gonna be fun. Like what? Like what? I will see y'all when it warms up. All right, so I'm back and I'm about to start. I'm a little nervous. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I need a smaller comb. Yeah, it's perfect. So we're gonna see how this goes. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to use this. I effed this up already. I feel it coming. Oh, I did it. Okay. I'm a little nervous about this. This is like taking, this takes, wait. Okay, hold on, let me try again. I can't do it. Okay, y'all see that? Crimp. Crimp a little bit. I might have to do the top again because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, look at that. Yes. So I'm done. This is a finished look. I think I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. But yeah, this is my first time crimping my hair, and this is how it came out. I was a little nervous because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but this is good. This side is kind of making me mad, but it's okay. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. And these are actually good. They're by Bedhead. Massive Shine Wave Artists. And they are good. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.